and LaQuisha driver.
Any of those, before we go with that, any of those are trials that officer not here or the officer is here?
I don't know if the officer showed up for Robinson.
Yeah, Robinson, Rogers, and Roman. So,
Yeah, those are all trial dates and in that room, the officer is here. I know,
I see Roman.
yeah, the officer and attorney is here. They just discussing the matter, I guess.
I see Roman.
So let's see, that's Robinson. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I don't know if Jackson, Officer Jackson is here. But Jimmy Rich.
Jimmy Richards trial.
Jimmy Rich is a trial. I don't know if we have the officers on there. It looks like it's
Okay, we can call Jimmy Rich and I'm gonna put him out the waiting room.
okay.
And what was another? It was another one.
Well, we can call Rich at 10 o'clock. What time was the trial?
Okay.
Oh, 8:30. Never mind.
9 o'clock.
Oh, 9 o'clock.
Yeah. I mean,
But Robinson judge was he has valid docs. So
Okay, we can call them. We can do those. All right.
Okay.
This is Robinson.
Just lost. What? Yeah, we usually did it. Jimmy, right?
We'll do Summer. This is the People versus Summer Durbrow. Ticket number 1143600. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Good morning. Please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Werbling.
good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defense.
Ms. Durbrow, state your name, please.
Summer Durbrow.
All right, it looks like there is a recommendation to dismiss. So with that, you stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Werbling.
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Did you have any questions, Ms. Durbrow?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're all set, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Have a great day, all of you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
You too. This is the People versus Jimmy Rich. Ticket number Z808556. Count 1, operating while intoxicated. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Werbling.
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Rich, can you say your name for the record?
Jimmy Rich.
This matter was set for a trial at 9 o'clock, 9:50, which is a little earlier than what I call it, but I don't see Officer Haynes present. So with that, Mr. Werbling, do you have a motion?
For those reasons, Judge, we move to dismiss at this time.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice as the officer has failed to appear. Did you have any questions, Mr. Rich?
No.
You are all set. Good luck to you, sir.
All right.
Make good decisions.
So
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. This is the People versus Christian Roman. Are we ready on that, Mr. Barrow?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. I did speak with the police officer and we did come to an agreement. I'm not sure if we have to notify the prosecutor of it, but
Prosecutors in the courtroom.
okay.
Good morning, Mr. Barrow. I'm Tamika Horn. And
Thanks,
what kind
Horn.
of charge is it, Your Honor?
Reckless driving, and then there's a state matter to operate an off-road vehicle.
Okay, and good morning, Officer Roman. What is the agreement that you've reached with Attorney Barrow?
good morning, Your Honor.
Nope, it's Tamika
Um,
Horn, the city attorney. You can't see me, but I'm the city attorney, so I'm just wondering on the reckless driving, city charge, what is the agreement?
For careless driving.
That we wouldn't be able to do because the court cannot convert a misdemeanor to a civil infraction. And Your Honor, yeah, the offer is drag racing. I'm not quite sure, did I pull his SOS record?
You were down drag race.
Yes, so the offer would be the 4-point drag racing. The only way that we could do the careless is to put this over for an adjournment. And if you want to reissue as careless, we can do that.
I'm fine with that if Officer Walden is.
And it would be up in the discretion of the court as to whether an adjournment would be acceptable.
Yeah. We can't dismiss it.
Well, I don't want, because what
But
happened.
he can accept the offer of drag racing.
Yeah, you can accept the offers drag racing. I'm not inclined to dismiss today because oftentimes, sometimes the officers do not reissue. And if we're charging reckless, that means it's pretty serious. And according to my chief, because of all the issues in the city with the drag racing, the spin outs and all that, this is a target case.
Okay.
If there's no objection with anyone or with the court as well, if we can arraignment and reduce it to a reckless or careless.
We wouldn't be able to do that today.
Right,
The
right.
officer would reissue as careless. But I'm not dismissing today.
That means you would have to dismiss. You would have to dismiss.
Dismiss it at a later time, but not today.
Oh, right, okay.
Yes. Once we get the careless, but the scale has a certain time frame for cases and right now, since now that we're really moving through the pandemic with these cases, I'm not quite sure if the court would be inclined to put this over, Your Honor, so.
Yeah, well, I mean, everyone's ready to go.
Yeah, for trial.
Well, Paula says something, you need to talk to the officer. On statement.
So it looks like, Attorney Cole for the state is gonna call in, and Your Honor, may I approach and take a look at the file, please?
It doesn't look like Mr. Barrow, we're ready on this one yet, so we will call something else. Are you ready, Mr. Warbling, on anything else?
Judge, we have, let's see, Christopher Robinson.
I see that,
Yeah.
What, you talked to him, correct?
I did, Judge. He has
What was
both
it?
documents. I'm sorry, Judge.
Because I see the offer. Let me see who this is. Was he on the phone? Give me one moment. On the 313-918-6453 number. Good morning. Can you let me know what your name is?
Yes,
What's your name?
Prentice Davis.
Oh, you're Prentice Davis?
Yes,
Okay. There is an offer, Mr. Warbling, as far as Chris Robinson. Was he gonna take advantage of that offer, or was it, did he have valid docs?
He is valid docs, Judge. And it's set for trial as well. I don't know if the officer's here, so for both reasons.
He not here.
Who we talking about there?
Christopher Robinson,
Christopher Robinson,
he was here.
he's in the breakout room 3.
Oh, he's in breakout room 3, I see.
Let me bring him up. What about Sean Rogers? Attorney here on that?
We do have oh yeah.
You might have to go to breakout room number 3, Mr. Warbling, to get him.
Okay. Okay, I'll do that right now.
It's a firm offer. I don't know saw my note on the secretary's paper. Yeah. there you go. In 2015. Yep. Thank you.
All right, so this is the people, is he here?
Officer.
Should be, Judge.
Yeah, okay, this is the people versus Christopher Robinson, ticket number 737409, count one, no operator's license in possession, and count two, unregistered motor vehicle, it was a motorcycle. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Warbling.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P4889 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Robinson, say your name.
Christopher Robinson.
All right, this matter is set for trial at 8:30. It is now 9:57. It doesn't look like an officer has appeared. So with that, you have a motion, Mr.
For those
Warbling.
reasons, Judge, we would move to dismiss. Yes, Judge.
Okay, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Robinson. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
We
Sir,
have
appreciate
Sean Rogers here.
You're welcome, sir. Have a good day.
you too. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, this is the people versus Sean Rogers, ticket number U62056221. Count one, operate the city of Detroit without business license, a bar. Ticket number 405247, count one, sell furnished alcohol to minor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Warbling.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Wait, one moment, I'm sorry. I only see. Okay, the U ticket, I don't see that. Oh, yes, I do. Never mind. Okay, Mr. Rogers, can you say your name for the record, please?
Sean Rogers.
Okay, these matters are set for trial at 8:35. It is now 9:58. It doesn't, I don't think any officers have checked in. So with that, Mr. Warbling, you do have a motion.
I do, Judge. We would move to dismiss at this time.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. Did you have any questions, Mr. Rogers?
Those are both of the,
Rogers, officer did check.
Wait, I'm sorry. Officer, I'm sorry, I misspoke. Officer Elliott is here.
I didn't borrow him out, no.
He is here. So the offer was for the U ticket. And we'll talk to Ms. Cole. For the U ticket was dismissal upon showing business license. Does he in fact have a business license?
I haven't spoken with him, Your Honor, so I might have to speak with him in a breakout room.
Okay. Mr. Barrow, did you speak with Ms. Cole yet?
I'm sorry, with Miss Cole?
Yes, she's a state prosecutor. She would make an offer for count two, and then Ms. Horn indicated just before walking out of the courtroom that the offer is firm.
Okay, well, Your Honor, if possible, this is Attorney Ryan Hill's case, so I was wondering if we can stipulate to adjourn it to a later date, just for him to come back. He's not here right now. And if I'm frankly speaking, I haven't held a trial before, so.
Here's Ms. Cole. Okay, let me wait and see what Ms. I have to wait and see what Ms. Horn says about that.
Sure.
Let's